Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will explain you how you can import Lightroom presets to PHOTOMATOR. Um, as you can already know, you cannot directly import native Lightroom preset files like XMP or LR template into PHOTOMATOR. So what you need to do is basically you need to convert your photo in the Lightroom. So use free tool like LUT generator that you create a neutral PNG HALT image, then import this image into the Lightroom, add preset you want to transfer, then disable non-color settings in Lightroom, turn off adjustments that don't translate to LUTs, such as grain, sharpening, lens correction, and so on. After that, export as PNG, and then convert LUT, so use your LUT generator software to convert that PNG back into the cube file. Once you have your cube file, you can import it to any device. So on here iPad, we will go here to adjustments, and you can scroll down a little bit. You will see LUTs here. Press on it, and then this circle with 3 dots in it, and then choose LUT, and you will find it here in your iPad somewhere where you saved it. Click on it and then open, and you will see it here. And yeah, what you can do then is simply apply it, and that's basically it, what you can do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.